Hi, Martin Brook put some interesting information into Twitter that Oneplus One is having a SailfishOS where they are working calls well now. And I've been using my first Jolla for over 2 years. It's working great, except battery life is a little bit, battery is like getting old, and of course the hardware itself a little bit. SailfishOS works great on this phone, and I really like this SailfishOS. I managed to get Oneplus One into use, and I installed it using the instructions which are there, can be found. It was quite easy to put. I'm using this without the multi-ROM. I just used the basic Svaneken mod 12.1 and put the Vgrade's packet, which is containing the phone calls and other improvements. And this is how it looks like. It's quite nice. So phone calls should be working, messages are working, browser is working. There are some stuff that you need to do manually from the terminal, and to enable, for example, MP3 to work. Also get the network information, and I had some problems with the packet data, but that was quite easy to fix from the command line command. But otherwise, it's Jolla store is not yet working for this Oneplus One. I've heard that it's working for Nexus 5, and this should come to work for Oneplus One a little bit later on, hopefully. But at the moment you can get the warehouse and get quite a lot of interesting applications from here. So just install this, and just a second, and then you can find quite many interesting applications from here. I have installed quite a lot of stuff. For example, Web Pirate. It's a browser. This should work. Yeah, a little bit coming right up. I think there are now your own browser, Web Pirate, you can find from Warehouse, and also WebCat browser, and Telegram client called Sailgram can be found there. Emails are working. I have just basic emails and Gmail actually with calendar, which is working. Then what else? You can check some of these applications. Actually, the weather you need to add from the terminal, but it's working now from this view. You can see it. It's working. There's a quick view to get some of the quick actions to work. What else? Applications. Then there are some sensor data you can see from here, which are hopefully working. Yeah, and actually there's one application, maybe the system monitor, which I can put on at the moment to see what is how the battery, okay, charge, but CPU you can see here how RAM is used, traffic. Put it here, change the view. Let's see how many apps we can get there. Some readers, and actually maybe from the media there are some players, gallery, net radios. Let's try. Yeah. It's not working. next channel. Yeah, close that one. And then there was this Harbo Spotify web player. Okay, I need to log in, but this should work. And TwitchTube. Actually, there is like problem with the video at the moment. So video is not shown. Maybe hopefully there's some fix coming on later on. But the MP3 you can get working from the terminal. Just close that. What else? Kodi mode. Okay, you can use to connect your Kodi hosts. I haven't yet connected to mine. What fun! Some games. 9gag application. Some of these are working as well. Yeah, actually, you can see it from there. The next one as well. Some news applications, 4chan. What do they have here? Okay. Games, some games. Yeah, that didn't went well. Maps, there are some maps. Actually, if I understood correctly, you can get even offline navigation to work. I haven't tried it myself yet. Yeah, what else? Okay. And then Tweetian to Twitter account. New tweet. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. Refresh. What else? So here are quite a lot of stuff. Actually, there are some instructions like I managed to get working emojis. So you have to get the word predictions on and then install Dolphin Core from open repos and then with the warehouse application, and then the install is to install the keyboard or the packet. And I had this English plus, then you can get it to work from here. And actually then it works with the messages as well. Okay. Yeah, but some minor stuff. Otherwise, it seems after a couple of days of use, this is really like you can use it as a daily driver. Only things which are missing are the video playing, and the camera is not working. So with those two, this could be like pretty nice phone to be used as a daily driver. Okay, but thanks Martin Brooks and Vgrade. This is great. Looking forward to get some more.